Oh, hello. What have I got here? Oh. Oh. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh. Oh, welcome to my helmet. Oh, hello. Hello. This is the little surprise that we have. We're going to be doing some POV videoing during the endurance races. That's not actually how I race. Oh, it could be. Could be how I race, we don't know. We don't know until you watch the videos. So we'll see how this goes on the first race of the season. I had a little bit of a test recording, and it doesn't actually sound that great when the visor is closed, so it will be interesting. It will be very interesting. Usually I keep it slightly open because it fogs up like crazy, so you keep it slightly open for the ventilation. So you're going to be inside my head whilst I am driving like a champion, or more like a maniac. Yes, you're going to be inside of my head. You'll hear what I say. You'll hear the communication with my teammates. Yes. It is fogging up because I have no airflow coming through. Oh me, oh my. The only issue I have is if there is vibration. I don't know if the camera pivots. If it pivots, then that could be like 40 minutes of video that you're not going to enjoy. But this is the surprise. Surprise! Merry Christmas! This is what I have for us next year, so hopefully it works out the way that I want it to. Fingers crossed. I can't actually cross my fingers because I have cracked my finger because I have stubby fat fingers, but fingers crossed.